Homeowners are searching for your home service business on Google, and once they found you, they want to give you their business. Say they call your window washing company for a quote or to check your schedule availability, but instead of waiting for the phone to ring, you're out washing windows. So they call through the list of your competitors that Google so easily gives them. And just like that, the job has been lost. But what if you were always first? When their call comes through, be that during business hours or even after hours, our missed call text back service allows you to be the first to offer your service. We respond to their missed call within moments with a customized message that best suits your brand. A link is then sent so homeowners can schedule their own appointment 24/7. But that's where it ends, right? Nope. We recapture them and remind them about their problem. Dirty windows. And you've got the solution. We circle back after 24 hours to remind them where they left off and incentivize them for taking action. What's the best part of the service? It's dependable, and it takes your service level and sets you apart from your competitors. Plus, you'll find that your month's end increases with zero ad spend. When every call counts, be the first to respond. Reach out to us at 970-615-5970 and experience the difference yourself.